If you've got an Amdro Boot Jump style setup in your Citroen Berlingo or Peugeot Partner and you're a solo camper, then this video could be for you. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a small modification that you can do to your boot jump that utilises the small amounts of space that we've already got, but allows you to use a water container and a means to pump that water when you need a brew, you want to wash up, or you want to just do a bit of cooking. Now if you have the Amdro Boot Jump, you'll know that that comes with a big water container with a yellow cap on the top and then a whale gusher pump screwed into the top. And that tank, I've used it several times. It's great for when there's me and the kids and we're stopping for long weekends or something like that. That holds enough water just to keep us going for that weekend. But when I'm on my own, I don't need a tank that big, and also it's very difficult to store when you're not using it. So at night, if you want to bring it in, you've got to find somewhere to put it. If you've got the awning on the back, that's fine, you can just put it under there. I mean, you could leave it outside the car, but you might want to be stealth camping, and that's what I'm doing on this particular occasion. I'm solo camping. I don't need a tank that big. So what did I do? I got myself a smaller water container. I went onto Amazon and I got a 7.5 litre square shaped water container, and I'll show you what I've done with it. Right, so I'll just quickly go over what I've actually done. This is a 7.5 litre water container, which just fits in there perfect. I did measure it, and it obviously looked as though it would fit, but when I got it, I tried to get it in through here and it just wouldn't quite fit. And I thought, oh, now what am I going to do? Well, just a little fettling around. What I did find that these little tabs here, if you push that down and then do the same at the other side, then the drawer just comes out another probably ½ inch, which is almost enough to be able to get it in, but I still couldn't get the bottle in. So what I decided to do was take these screws out here, and once the drawer is out that little bit more, I can get to those two screws, and I actually took the panel off like that, and once the panel's off and this drawer just moves out, then this bottle lifts out perfect. And I thought, right, okay, that's that sorted. So what I then did, and also because of the way this is machined like that, when even with the screws out, when that's back in place, it doesn't go anywhere. So I don't need to put the screws back in. It's still retaining the rigidity of the drawer. I mean, it's not so bad with it off, but when it's back on, it just gives you that extra bit of strength. But that was okay. So then what I did, I took the tap from the old water container that comes with the Amdro Boot Jump, and I just unscrewed it from the yellow cap, measured this diameter, and then I drilled myself a hole there using a hole cutter. Put some varnish on the inside just to seal it, and then that just slots into there like that. You can see it goes in nice and snug, and then you've got the tap, and it's just enough to be able to put a cup there, pump the water, and it just comes out into there. You get a couple of drips, but it's not 100% perfect, but it just gives you the opportunity to have pumped water. You can see the pipe in the tank there. Like I say, that holds 7.5 litres. So there you go, that was my little modification I did to add the water container and the little pump. I hope you found that of use. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you've done a similar setup in your camper van, then I'd love to know about them, so leave a comment below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.